Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install a recessed handrail. First of all, know your city and state's handrail height code. Make sure you use an electric wire detector as well as a stud finder and a pipe locator. That's all self-explanatory if you're going to be using a drill, a drywall knife to do what I'm about to show you. Again, make sure you take these precautions so you're not splitting a wire or cutting into any type of piping. So yeah. Alright, so in our state, the handrail height is 30 to 36 inches. You'll see the top one I already have penciled out. I use the actual handrail to get my line. As you can see here, I use the circular saw to cut in. Make sure you set the proper depth on your circular saw, as you can see. I went about 1/4 of an inch just to be sure. I did use my stud finder, my pipe locator, and my wire detector. So I'm just peeling away the excess there. So here you see I have the rail just as a dry run. It hasn't been stained yet. I'm just checking the fit. And those gaps, I'm just going to use spackle. I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to sand it, and it'll look like that rail belongs there. So in this part of the video, I'm actually going to show you I did my line as far as how long and wide I want the handrail to be. As you can see, I'm going to set the depth that I want the blade to go into the wall. Again, just 1/4 of an inch. I don't want to go completely deep because I don't want the handrail to just be swallowed up by the wall. And again, it's very important you use your wire locator, your stud finder, and your pipe locators. So I set the depth, which means the blade is going to only go but so deep. And I'm getting my square cut off. And next you're going to see me with my, this tool is it's 5-in-1. It's a very handy tool to have. It does everything. You can scrape your walls with it. You can open a soda with it if you want. You can turn nuts and bolts. You can open paint cans. You can use it as a screwdriver. It's an awesome tool. So here I am being careful. Again, the less damage I do and the finer my so here it is. I did treat this piece of wood earlier. I think this is the cherry stain. And the stick there is just because I have liquid nail. I use the caulk gun to put liquid nail behind the handrail here. And I just have this is actually a paint stick that I'm using to just hold it up until the liquid nail dries in the morning. But yeah, simple as that. You can do a recessed handrail. Like, who does that? And the reason I did it is because, as you can see, this stairway is very narrow. Again, the home is over 100 years old. So, to be quite honest, people were skinnier back then. And I wanted to do something. By code, I had to have a handrail, but I didn't want to take up space by having the handrail protrude from the wall. So as you can see here, I recessed it. And yeah. that 5-in-1 again. And I'm very happy with the outcome. In the morning, like I said, it's going to be nice and dry with the liquid nails. And all I'm going to do is spackle here and use, say after I sand it down, I'm going to use caulking, a nice bead, and by the time I paint this wall and have both of these installed, it's going to look like this is floating, like this was made there. So hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to show you the final result. All right, have a great night.